B syndrome channels. Channels. It may be useful here to visit the structure of the main and secondary channels and the energetic role of the 5 transporting points on the limbs, as this will be relevant when we discuss the treatment of painful obstruction syndrome. To its main channel corresponds a network of secondary channels formed by connecting Lu channels, muscle vein channels, and cutaneous regions. The connecting channels or the Lu channels connect the yin and yang paired channels at the level of the limbs. For example, the lung and the large intestine channels are connected in the forearms via the respective connecting points, lung 7 and large intestine 6, respectively. More important than this, in the context of painful obstruction syndrome, the connecting channels represent a network that distribute qi to more superficial part of the body not covered by the main channels. So let's see the drawing, the connecting channels area. So the skin, muscle, minute and superficial connecting channels. So, yun po yung drawing. For its main channel, the air between it and the skin is irrigated and nourished by the connecting channel. For this reason, the connecting channel are called lumai as opposed to jingmai, which are the main channel. Lu conveys the idea of net, whilst jing conveys the idea of longitudinal line. Thus, the main channels are longitudinal lines, whilst the connecting channel are a network of channels irrigating the more superficial region of the body. The connecting channels branch out into a smaller network or tiny channels, of which there are two types, the minute, sun, and the superficial, full, connecting channels. Any external manifestation of the skin is a reflection of an imbalance in these smaller channels. For example, a discoloration on the skin reflects the presence of a pathogenic factor in the superficial channels. Bluish or greenish indicating cold, and red indicating heat. Small venules appearing on the skin reflects the state of blood. Red indicating heat in the blood, and purple indicating stasis of blood. Such discoloration often appear on the joints affected by painful obstruction syndrome and have a diagnostic significance. External pathogenic factors generally invade the connecting channels. First, they also invade the muscle channels. If it is only the muscle channels that are invaded, the main symptoms are simply stiffness and pain of the muscles without internal manifestation such as sore throat, fever, etc. The main symptom of invasion of connecting channels by external pathogenic factor is joint ache. Thank you for your attention.